Hey, and as my last video, I added a bit on, sorry, I added a bit on, so it would be a bit better, and I added that's a little tongue, by the way, that's the eye, and I made something behind it, as you can see right here. The one behind it says bye, and it's very complicated. So today we are going to be making a pencil. I'm sorry mine is so like different colors. It's because I had trouble finding some stuff. Anyway, let's have a look at the bottom. There's the bottom, there's the side, there's the top. So like it's really cool. So the first thing we'll need is something like that. From the side, that, and that. Safekeeping. And then we have like loads of these. They're easy to find, but some people might not have these. So there's this piece. Looks like that from the side, that from the top, that from the bottom. Put it over there for safekeeping. Now we're gonna need locks. Oh. Are these stuck together? So, okay, we need like 1, 2, 3, 4. Ow. Sorry. 5, 6, 7 of those. 7 of those. Like this. Oh, sorry. This is what they look like from the side. That's what they look like from the bottom. That's what they look like from the top. I'll show you the bottom again. Side. Perfect. So we're going to put those just over here because I don't really care about them. And then, this is the hardest bit to get off. Okay, so we're going to need one. So just to show you, see these? They're like these, but 2D. See, you can see a difference. So we're going to get 2 of those, but red. Hopefully. I am a bit ahead of you. I stuck them together. I might just pull it apart. I pulled them apart there. So I just got this just for an example. I'll put that away, and I'll put those there. Stop. Get out, hand. I have no clue what that hand was. That was creepy. Anyway. Stop, please stop, hand. So we're going to need one of these. So like it's round. It's like these, but it's a round top. Look at the difference from here. Look at the difference. That one looks more like circly and bumpy, but that one's more like round, as you can see. That's what it looks like from the bottom. That's what it looks like from the side. Okay, now we're going to start. So we're going to grab this blue thing and this. We're going to put them together just like that. Oh, you can, that actually really looks cool. Like literally, it looks really cool. Stop there. Perfect time. No. And then we're going to go to the end bit now, opposite end of the top. So we're going to grab these 2 bits. Place them together. Finish my sentence. And then we're going to grab this bit, this black one. We're going to bring it up, bring the camera up. So we're going to put them together. So the round bit is facing the bottom. See? Now we're going to put that over here. Those 2 for safekeeping. Never lose them. Now we're going to grab all of these bits. So we're going to put this one at the last bit. So we're going to put that over here. Oh, that's cool. Blue, red, blue, red, blue. We're going to put them all on top. I don't care what order it goes in. I'm just going to make it. I hate when that happens. Like you don't know which way to put it on. Okay, sorry if in my videos, I get silent. It's because I don't talk much. I don't like to talk much, but I actually am very crazy. So that's the 7 bits on. including those three, but the two bits on and the one bit on. Because you know how some pencils have the black bit on the end, don't have a rubber. And then the finals. Dun, dun, dun. And we're done. Hopefully you guys can make this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous pencil. It's like so cool. I'll see you next time. And next, I'm going to be making a jet ski. It is pretty hard. The pieces are really hard to find. And bye!